Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to close a position on PrimeXBT. You can close a position, a trade, whatever, but with this video I will show you how to close your trade or position. So let's start right here first of all with creating a position. Now let's say we want to create a position on Bitcoin for $500 US. Then I click here on buy and do buy by market, and then you see right here market order filled. Then right now here at the bottom, you have here your position list, and there you can close your trade. Because if you go here to the bottom, you will find right here or position. Let's see, there it is. And now if you go to the right, you see right here close. It's seriously that easy. So now if you click here on close, you can close your position with partials, but you can also click here on close position, max, close position, and now we closed our position. So it's seriously that easy. If you have more questions about something with closing, let me know that in the comments. But this was the video. It's that easy, seriously. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.